Hello, and welcome to our podcast. How are you feeling today? In this episode, we'll join two friends, Emma and Jack, as they talk about their feelings in simple English. Slow, clear speech will help you follow along, and by the end, you'll be ready to use these phrases in real life.
Thanks for inviting me. I'm excited to help learners practice expressing emotions. Understanding how to talk about feelings is important for making friends and building confidence in English. Let's start with a friendly meeting between Emma and Jack.
When two friends meet, it's common to ask, "How are you feeling today?" This question uses the verb to be and helps start a caring conversation. Emma sees Jack sitting alone in the park and wants to check in.
Absolutely. Emma greets Jack with, "Hi Jack, how are you feeling today?" This simple question lets Jack know she cares, and it's a great way for English learners to open a friendly chat.
That's right. Remember, asking about someone's feelings shows interest and kindness. You can try this phrase with your friends too.
Exactly. And you can answer honestly, which helps build trust. So, let's talk about how Jack responds.
Jack replies, "I'm tired." This is a classic structure. I am or I'm plus an adjective. For example, I'm happy, I'm worried, or I'm excited.
Yes, and using to be is simple but powerful. It connects the subject like I or she with a feeling adjective. For example, she is happy means Emma feels good.
Let's break it down. I am becomes I'm in conversation. This contraction sounds more natural. Try repeating, I'm tired.
Great tip. Practicing these patterns helps you speak English smoothly. You can also say, he's excited, or they're okay.
Now, let's focus on some basic adjectives we use to talk about feelings. Happy, sad, tired, excited, worried, okay, and great. Each describes a different emotion.
Exactly. For example, happy means you feel joy or pleasure. Tired means you need rest, maybe after a long day. And worried is how you feel when something makes you nervous.
You can use these words to answer, how are you? For instance, I'm excited today, or I'm a little worried. Don't be afraid to mix and match.
That's right. Adding words like a little or very changes the strength of your feeling. For example, I'm very happy or I'm a little sad.
Jack is honest with Emma and says, I'm tired. Sharing how you really feel can help friends support each other. Emma listens and responds kindly, saying, I'm happy to see you. I hope you feel better soon.
This is important in any language. When someone tells you they're tired or worried, saying something caring like, I hope you're okay, shows empathy. It builds trust and makes conversations meaningful.
Exactly. In English, simple, supportive phrases go a long way. You might say, that sounds tough, or let me know if you need anything.
And by practicing these responses, you make your English sound natural and friendly.
After Jack says he's tired, Emma asks, why are you tired? This helps the conversation continue and shows interest. Jack explains, I stayed up late last night.
Giving reasons is helpful for deeper conversations. You can use because to explain, I'm happy because it's the weekend, or I'm worried because I have a test.
Adding a reason helps people understand your feelings. It's a great way to practice longer sentences in English.
That's a good point. Try making your own sentences, like, I'm excited because I have plans with friends.
Emma shares, I'm happy and excited about the weekend. Positive feelings are nice to talk about and can lift someone's mood. Jack replies, that's great. I'm happy for you.
Expressing encouragement is an important social skill. You can say, I'm glad to hear that, or that sounds fun. These simple phrases help build positive connections.
Exactly. Even if you feel tired, celebrating others' happiness is part of being a good friend. It's a win-win for practicing English and being supportive.
Right. Try complimenting someone's good news. It's a great way to practice English and kindness together.
Let's compare. Emma feels happy and Jack feels tired. People feel different things even on the same day. It's normal, and talking about it helps us connect.
Definitely. You might wake up feeling great, but your friend could feel worried about a problem. Expressing these differences helps you understand each other and builds stronger friendships.
When you practice, try switching roles. Imagine you're happy one day and tired the next. How would you answer, how are you feeling today?
That's a practical exercise. It also prepares you for real conversations where feelings can change quickly.
Now it's your turn. Let's practice together. I'll ask, how are you feeling today? You can answer out loud with, I'm happy, I'm tired, or any adjective you like.
Great job! Practicing out loud is key for building confidence. You can also ask a friend or family member, how are you feeling today? And listen to their answer.
Repeating phrases helps your brain remember them. Try saying, I'm okay, I'm worried, or I'm excited. The more you practice, the easier it gets.
And don't forget to use these words in real life. The more you use English, the more natural it will feel.
Before we finish, let's review. Today, we practice asking, how are you feeling? And answering with I am plus an adjective. We talked about happy, tired, excited, and more.
That's right. Keep repeating these phrases and try using them with people you meet. To really improve, take our speaking challenge. Tell someone how you feel today in English.
Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. The important thing is to keep trying and enjoy learning. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for listening and see you next time. Keep practicing, and soon you'll feel great about your English conversations.